Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Wildcard Wednesday video on my YouTube channel and blog. So we're starting out today with a piece of pattern paper. This is called Beach Boardwalk. You see the sizes there. We're going to score it at 5 1/4 and 9 1/4. So it is 10 1/4 inches wide and, tall, I should say, and 4 inches wide. So this is going to be the main focus of our pocket card. So we fold that middle piece down, and then the end piece we're going to fold opposite ways. Then I have a 1/4 inch of the same designer series paper. I'm featuring a little bit of the lemon lolly section of that, and I'm just going to sort of easily press it around the card or the little pocket that I'm creating. I just put adhesive on the back. I'm trying to make it as straight as possible. And basically we're going to, it's going to be affixed to a 1/4 panel anyway. So, but you do want to make sure that this section is straight. So this is going to keep the pocket closed and the note that you put inside of it will not flip out. So here's my 1/4 panel, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. That's 1/4 of a sheet of cardstock. That's why we call it a 1/4 panel, in case you didn't know. And I'm putting dry adhesive. This is Seal Plus. I'm putting dry adhesive on the back side, and then I'm affixing it to my 1/4 panel. So again, that was lemon lolly. So we're going to make our little pocket. This is basic white stamping white paper. And then this is Pool Party. I do have those measurements on there for you in case you wanted to duplicate this for yourself. It's really kind of easy to use up your pattern paper. And it's a nice way, say if you're a Stampin' Up demonstrator and you want to place a little note in the bag that you give to your customers, or just little treats or whatever that you give away to, say, your neighbors or whatever. It doesn't have to necessarily be a card, but it's a nice little way of putting a note down. So what am I stamping with? Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and the stamp set is called Summer Happiness. And again, I didn't know where this card was going, but I felt the summer vibes. It is, what is it today? It was 38 degrees here in Kelowna, so beach weather. Of course, I had to work, but we keep it at a nice balmy 21 degrees in the salon. So all my clients complain about how cold it is, and I don't care. I have to work. They don't. I'm just joking. So anyway, I stamped a couple of the flip-flops, the sunglasses, some of the drinks. I die cut the flip-flops from paper. So there's a die that goes with these. And this is kind of fun. I wanted to play around with this. I ended up using the sunglasses because I felt that they were too big in relation to the flip-flops. They were just kind of the wrong size. So that is Pool Party and Lemon Lolly that I used to get the flip-flops going. I think they're pretty cute. The fact that, a little die can make this flip-flops, like, honestly, how cute. Really, it's a fun bundle. All right, so I do end up putting dimensionals on the back side of those, but I'm going to color my drink. I think I used Timid Tiger for the orange slice, and Pool Party for the glass and the liquid inside. And I think I used a very light pink. I don't know which one it was. And just so you know, you can see that little the label on my blends markers. I make those myself, and you are welcome to it. There's a direct link in the description box below. And if you're watching this on YouTube, what does that say? Fresh Frieza? No, bubble bath. Anyway, yeah, you just need a punch, or you can cut them out with scissors, but you can download them for free I'm happy to share. So, and I will keep up with doing them. There's even the past blends markers that I have. Anyway, moving on. I have Lemon Lolly here, and I think I used Daffodil Delight, just whatever was left over on the finger dauber, and I'm stamping the sun down, and I'm using Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and it says "Fun in the Sun," and that was a stitch circle from the I can't remember what they're called, Stylish Shapes dies. If you don't have those dies, you're going to need them. There's circles and there's squares, and I use them all the time. All right, so we're just going to put this card together. Basically, it's just decorating. I put the little drink on the circle, and now I'm putting the flippy flops. I have large and mini Stampin' Dimensionals on them. You can cut your Stampin' Dimensional in half, and that should fit the flippy flops. And you guys, that's pretty much. Oh, I colored one of the flip flops that I stamped, and I'm putting that on my inside of the card. Can't forget that. I ended up not using the other drink. So I'm going to leave links in the description box below in case you want to check out any of the products for yourself. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It really helps my small channel grow. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please leave me a lovely comment below, and I will be back on Friday with a fun fold. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.